Hi everyone, it's OJ from OJ Online. Good to see you guys again. And it's been quite some time since my last video, but I'm just grateful for the opportunity to share with you guys my first video of the year. I'll be doing the unboxing and a quick review of the Realme GT Neo 2T. So without further ado, let's get right to it. The Realme GT Neo 2T is a 5G smartphone released in November 2021. I got the 128GB variant with 8GB of RAM. Jumping right into the box, you're first greeted with the Realme logo in yellow. Then you have this paper packaging, and right in you get a free phone case. Quite flexible, but it's better than nothing. I always appreciate such freebies. You also have the phone warranty document in there. Moving on from that, you also get a USB Type-C cable, and this one has a white accent. Beneath the star of the show, you find a paper and then the fast charger. It's the Superdart charger. This one is supposed to be rated 65 watts, I think, just like the one we got from the Realme X7 Pro. So now that all that is out of the way, let's focus on the main reason why we all are here. The Realme GT Neo 2T. I got this white color variant. It's quite stunning to look at. There's also the option for a black color if you prefer that, but I prefer this. I feel like this color will make a good color contrast with the added case, and I definitely will be using that along with the phone. So here we have the Realme GT Neo 2T in all its glory. It has no color shift based on the reflection of the light like we get on some other color options for other phones like the Realme GT Neo. On this side of the phone, you have the power button. The material used here is definitely plastic, even though it has this metallic vibe and feel going on. On the top, you have a mic, and on the side, you have the volume rocker buttons. And on this side, you have the USB Type-C port, and of course, the earpiece jack. I missed that on the Realme X7 Pro. Then you have the speaker grill. You also have the SIM tray for your SIM cards, definitely dual nano SIM cards, with of course dual 5G support like the Realme X7 Pro. So moving on from the design of the phone, let's try powering on the phone. Of course, we're greeted with the Realme logo once again. The phone comes with Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 11. So I'll quickly set up the phone and be right back. The phone comes with an OLED display with a very fast Underdisplay fingerprint scanner. Yes, that is quite fast, just as fast as the Realme X7 Pro. Display is a 6.4-inch OLED panel with support for up to 120Hz refresh rate, and the max brightness is also rated at 1000 nits. The phone also comes with the Dimensity 1200 AI octa-core processor. This is a flagship processor. The phone also has this feature called RAM expansion, where some portion of the phone storage is allocated as RAM, and you can expand the RAM by up to 2GB, 3GB and 5GB. Just bear it in mind that this particular feature, when enabled, means that you have reduced the initial amount of storage available to you for use on your phone. The phone comes with Android 11 based on Realme UI 2.0, and this comes with loads and loads of customization options available to you. So let's quickly talk about the camera setup on this phone. The phone has a triple camera setup on the back, and on the front it has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. You also get a 64 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel macro at the back of the phone. The phone can record 4K at up to 60 fps. You can also record slow motion shots at up to 960 fps at lower resolutions. Finally, the phone comes with a 4500 mAh battery capacity, and it can be charged from 0 to 100 in about 35 minutes with the included 65 watt fast charger. The phone also has stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos certification. So watch out for my upcoming videos on this phone. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and leave a thumbs up if you found this video interesting. I'll catch you on the next one. This is OJ Online signing out.